Welcome back. In this section we are going to discuss about variables and data types. So here you can see before starting variables and data type, we would like to discuss the print function. The print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device. So for print function we will write print double quotes hello world program, double quotes and close the brackets. So let's execute the code by pressing shift enter. So here you can see hello world is printed. So this is the function of print function. Comment can be used to make the code more readable. So for comment you can see there is a hash which indicates in Python it is a comment. If I execute this, nothing will be displayed since Python ignores the line which has a hash as the starting point of it. So this is a comment. So if I want to make the code in more readable format like print Python learning, this is a comment. So this part is a comment and this is the print statement. So if I execute it, I will get Python learning as the output, but this is used for commenting. So it will help the developer to make the code in a readable format. If I type hash print Python learning, nothing will get displayed. So I have executed the code. You can see nothing has been displayed because Python ignores anything starting with hash. It will act as a comment. So I am printing 3 lines and I have given a notification that this is line 1, this is line 2 and this is line 3. So this portion is comment where this is the code. This is the print function that will print line 1, line 2, line 3 and so on. So in order to make anything more useful, we can use the comment and we can make a note beside our comments, beside our code. So this is our use of comment. So now we will start with the basic maths operation. We have already seen this, but it will be good if we revise it again. So here I have written 34 plus 5. So it will give me 39. Addition will be performed. Here subtraction will be performed. 27 minus 6 which is 21. 4 into 4 it is 16. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So now we are going to see basic data type of Python. So basically we are concentrating on string, integer, boolean and float. There are multiple data types, but as of now we are only considering these 4 basic data types, that is string, boolean, integer and float. So here I have declared a variable which is named result. It will handle string type of data. So hello world is a string, double quotes are there and we are going to print it. So here you can see hello world has been printed, but the hello world is written in double quotes. So it will be act as a string. So now if I see result equal to I love Python. Res is a variable. We are storing I love Python which is single quote. It will be also treated as string. So here you can see after execution I love Python has been displayed. So this is how single quote and double quote can be used to represent the value as a string. So now concatenation of strings. Concatenation of strings. So here I am declaring a variable result equal to hello world plus which will add a string. Is my first program is the second part of the string. So if I print res, it will give hello world is my first program. So these are two strings which got added or concatenated by using the plus symbol. Boolean. Boolean is a data type. X equal to true. It can be true or false. So we have defined x equal to true. We are printing x and we are using the type function which will help us to denote what type of data x is holding. So if I execute it, this print x statement is displaying true, and print type of x, it is showing us class as boolean. Bool means boolean in Python. Now we will see variable was boolean. We are not defining anything in x, but x will be treated as boolean because we have defined true. So now integer, x equal to 24. Print x. So x will be holding value as 24, which is of integer type. So that's why it is dynamically typed. So if I print this, print x will give 24 and print type of x will give class as integer. Similar for float. We have a x equal to 21.5. Print x and print type of x. So here you can see print x will give 21.5 and print type of x will give us float. Now string. Hello world is stored in variable x, which is of type string. We are printing it and we are also printing the type of it. So hello world is the result of print x statement, and class of str, that is string, is the result of print type of x statement. In Python, variables are case sensitive. So here I have defined three variables. My food equal to pizza, my underscore food equal to burger, my underscore food equal to sandwich. So these are the three types. The pronunciation is same, but the way it is written, here everything is in small case, here everything is in capital. Here we are using camel case. So here you can see these are the three variables which are pronounced as same but has a different value for Python. Those are not treated as same. So variables are case sensitive in Python. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.